Alright, consider this episode 1 in my showcase of the kaiju figures I currently have in my grasp. Let's start off with my main Godzilla. You can see it's the 2019 Godzilla Bandai Movie Monster Series toy, but I decided to paint blue because 1, I think Godzilla looks blue, and 2, it's a reference to the NES game. Also, 3, I like blue in general, and 4, it's symbolic. Next up is Mothra, the queen of the monsters. I made her with paper that was laminated, a few pipe cleaners. Her head is basically a white foam ball, and her abdomen is basically this wooden structure. Originally, 2 different ones that merge that fits together once glued together. I used regular glue, but you can use super glue just in case. Here is Gigan, specifically Final Wars Phase 1 Gigan. As you can see, I painted the tail a little bit. You can tell. Here's my Kiryu / Mega Godzilla. And by the way, I will name the 1954 Godzilla Kiryu. Here's the Stegosaurus that I customized into Anguirus. That's not my best work. For example, I need to add a 4th toe on each of these feet, and I need to remove these Stegosaurus plates because I think they do look nice on Anguirus. It's not the best. This pterodactyl that I customized into a Rodan, and yes, this Rodan might be female. I am still on the fence. I think overall it's a much more successful attempt. Batch, I think, was a less successful version of Mothra, which is ironic because Mothra came first, both canonically and in my collecting stuff. Next up are these 3 praying mantises. I'm going to use as the male Kamakuri. I was going to use this as a giant octopus, but then I thought it was going to be the Kraken, and you know what? That works. That works. I think it was a dog's weak choice of a lobster will be my Abra. Maybe I have to cut off the left hand and replace it. I mean, left claw, sorry. Here's the 1954 Gojira. Such fully organic Kiryu. And in this universe, he'll be the biological father of this Godzilla, who will sometimes be referred to as Manila. Here's King Kong, real because it just feels nice. Here's the spider, that'll be Kumonga. And of course, you can't leave out King Ghidorah. And yes, I will notice that there's Mothra egg. And Mothra egg. There's this yellow egg that I'm planning to make Batra's egg. And I do hope that I get more kaiju in the future. Alright, bye!